Learn how to fix it when you see the site URL parameter is in disabled mode in Copilot Studio SharePoint Tools. Troubleshoot this issue. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot if you see the site URL parameter is disabled. While you're working with the Copilot Studio SharePoint tool, all of a sudden, you may see a strange behavior where you won't be able to pass the site URL or site address. For example, this is my Create File tool, and if you see, this is the site address, and this is the custom value, and by default, this is disabled. This is the way it should be, but you could see a site selection drop-down list here. Now, if you had a new tool, you cannot pass this URL. This really will make you crazy. You don't need to get worried. I will show you the other way around how you can pass the site URL if you don't see this drop-down list, or if you cannot pass the site URL here. Let's go to Add a New Tool. I'm going to add a new tool just for the demo. Then going to SharePoint Connector. Here I can select any of the tools. From here, I will select Create New Folder. However, you can select any of the tools listed here, right? Then I'll click on this Add and Configure button. Yes, my new Create New Folder tool got added. Now you see, this is what I was saying. I cannot pass my site address. Whatever the way you try, it won't allow. This is disabled. And if I click on this Customize icon, it will give you the example of how that URL should be. But there is no way to pass the site URL here. Then how can you pass your site URL? If you look at my other tool, the Create File Input section, you can see the site selection drop-down list. I can pass any of the site URLs. So how can I fix this issue? All of a sudden, you may face this strange issue. You will not find the solution anywhere. This is from my personal experiment and sharing with you. So in order to display the site selection drop-down list, when your site address is in disabled mode, how you can display or enable this drop-down list, I will show you very quickly. For that, open your tool and click on this 3 dots next to the Enabled Disabled button, then click on this Open Code View right. Then your tool configurations get opened in Code View mode. Now, just pass this inputs code, where kind is manual task input. Property name is dataset, and the value is your SharePoint site URL. This should be your site URL. That's it now. Save this and see the magic. I can see the site selection drop-down list immediately appears here. Now you can select or pass any other site from the drop-down list, or you can pass whatever site you want. That's it. So if you see your site address parameter is in disabled mode, then don't worry, you can use this technique and you will not get this solution anywhere. This is from my personal experience I'm sharing with you. I hope this workaround helps you fix the site URL issue in Copilot Studio's SharePoint tools. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and follow me for more troubleshooting tips and techniques in Copilot and the Power Platform. See you in the next video.